Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I will be walking you through on how you can set up your KDP account. If you haven't watched if you don't know how to create a KDP account, go to my very first video on this channel. You will see how to create a verified KDP account. So after creating it and logging in, you will come to your profile here and you will see this interface. There are some things we need to do before you start uploading books. There are some things you need to do on your author's information, like the bank's tax informations and every other thing need to be in place before we can start publishing. So welcome back guys. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and share this video and like and comment. Okay, so let's get to it guys. The first thing you want to do now is come to this individual, click on it, and this is just I use one of my friend's name, and this is my number. I use this number. You can enter your address. You enter your address, let's say Nigeria. Okay, let's say you can use any address, you can just use maybe maybe um you can use bank, school, anywhere address. Let me just put one, Lagos State. Then this one you can just put like Lekki. Here city, Lagos. This one you can just put Lagos. You can check, just make sure that the address you are putting in is a valid address guys. So for this postal code, I have checked the online and see the postal code of Lagos of 101 017. Okay, so click on use this address. Now after that, you input your phone number. Okay, so you click on I don't have a bank account. Now scroll down to the end and you will see I want to you select your date of birth. Just select something your real date of birth. You can select let me see, 2000, December 1996. Your check name, you need to put something. Let me see, maybe it's correspond. You need to be conscious of it. Okay, use this address. Now after this, after this, come to this complete task questionnaire, say and continue. It's successful. Okay, let it load. Let it load. It's loading. These are the things you need to do for you to have for you to be able to publish book on KDP. I don't know why it's taking our time. Okay, it has loaded. So click on individual. Are you a citizen? Click on no. Are you acting? You click on no. You click on no. Yes. Then you confirm your information. Country, citizen. You select Nigeria. Select Nigeria. Okay, this is our address. So just deselect this one, deselect it here. Now it says, where are you able to provide a TIN? You click on this first one, that the country where I'm liable to pay tax or not issue TIN as resident. Click on this first one and you click on continue. You click on save and preview. Make sure your details are correct, because without it you won't be able to get paid. Okay, so you scroll down, then you click on I certify that I have capacity to sign for the person identified online of this form. You take it, then you put your exact name. Put the exact name on how you are using this. You need to confirm if this is correct spelling. You don't want to make any mistake, guys. Now you click on submit form. Now submit form. Make sure. Okay, now can you see your tax information has been received and successfully validated? Application withholding 30%. So what this means is that once Amazon Pay, they will remove 30% out of your money. But don't worry, in my next video, guys, I will show you how you can remove this 30% and make it 0. Okay, so you collect your full money. Yes, full money, guys. So don't worry. So just scroll down, no, click on this exit interview. Click on it. Now your payments, you will be paid in multiple currency for customer transaction made in all marketplace. Just check require minimum payment threshold. You can just select or no. let me see. Okay, what you want to do now is click on save. If everything is complete now, just click on save. Save. Success. Now you can now go back to your bookshelf, and let's see. Now we are now ready to create a book. We are now ready to create a new book now. So guys, in my next video I will show you how you can remove that 30% and how you can remove that 30%. So guys, if you find any value in this video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, like and share and comment. I'll be there to answer anything you want. So guys, stay safe and God bless you.